Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Zion reggae, yeah, man. High up on the holy hill, Jah light a shine so pure and still. Break the darkness, clear the way, turn the night into bright day. Every ray a promise keep, wake the soul from Babylon sleep. Light of Zion never fade, shine from now till earth remade. Light of Mount Zion, bright and clear, guide the people far and near. Lead we through this storm and fight, keep we walking in Jah light. Me climb the path with steady pace, feel just sunlight on me face. It warm me heart, it lift me soul, make the broken spirit whole. It show the road fi trod in peace, tell the war and hate fi cease. Every shadow fade away when Zion light begin fi stay. Babylon try fi hide the beam, but Jah light cut through the scheme. It pierce the lies, it break the chain, it heal the heart and ease the pain. No mountain tall, no valley deep can block the light Jah children keep. It shine through ages, strong and true. Light fi guide both me and you. Me see the youth, them lift them high, watch the light fill up the sky. It teach them hope, it teach them love, blessing from the one above. No greed, no hate can make it dim. This light forever come from him. It call we all to righteous plan, light of Jah fi every man. When the evening start to fall, still the light will bless us all. It glow through night till morning come, beating rhythm like the drum. From first creation till the end, light of Zion we defend. It lead the way till kingdom near, and Babylon disappear. Shine high, shine low, everywhere the people go. Break chain, break night, fill the world with holy light. No storm, no wall can hide the beam. Light of Zion reign supreme. Light of Mount Zion, bright and clear, guide the people far and near. Lead we through this storm and fight, keep we walking in Jah light. From mountain top to ocean floor, light of Zion forevermore.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja and meditate, yeah, man.
Burning bright from ancient days, firelight, Jah holy ways. Cleanse the heart, refine the soul, make the broken spirit whole. the people's feet. It call the youth fi rise and stand. Hold the truth in every hand. It shine like gold, it burn like sun. Tell the people we are one. No frost, no cold can dim its glow. Fire of Jah forever show. Babylon tremble when it see fire blaze in unity. It melt the chain, it break the wall. It answer to the righteous call. No lies survive, no darkness stay. When fire of Jah light the way, it guard the weak, it guide the strong. Fire keep we moving on. Me see the elder by the flame, chanting praise to Jah name. Me hear the drum, me hear the song. Me know the fire will last long. It teach the youth to stand up tall, never bow to Babylon call. Every ember, every glow is Jah love we come to know. Through the night and through the rain, fire burn and still remain. From first creation to the end, fire of Jah will never bend. It guide the way, it guard the gate. It keep the love and burn the hate. In every heart, in every land, fire blaze by Jah command. Blaze high, blaze wide, fire of Jah we cannot hide. From east to west, from shore to shore, fire burn forevermore. No chain, no wall can stop the flame. Fire of Rasta, praise Jah name. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong. Burn away the hate and wrong. Light the path we to trod. Keep we walking close to God. From morning sun to evening star, fire of Jah burn near and far. Zion Reggae. Deep in the night under moonlight glow, Nyabinghi drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far, guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tells your story true, ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease, beat this sound of love and peace. Drum of Nyabinghi, strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the air. From the hilltop down to shore, drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old. Tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul, make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear, drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Nyabinghi chant just begun. With every strike a prayer rise high, reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand, it build the love across the land. From first beat till the last, night wind start to cool, drums still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Nyabinghi keep treading on. It tell the world we shall be free when love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta loud and clear, beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast, carry the message that will last. From root to crown, from sea to sky, Nyabinghi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can steal the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Nyabinghi, strong and pure, beat with the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low, Nyabinghi beat will always flow. Zion Raga inna the house, yeah man. Deep in the night and the moonlight glow, Nyabinghi drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far, guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tell Jah story true, ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease, beat the sound of love and peace. Drum of Nyabinghi strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore, drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old, tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul, make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear, drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Nyabinghi chant just begun. With every strike, a prayer rise high, reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand, it build the love across the land. From first beat till the last, drum of Zion, all we fast. Me see the elder close them eye, feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin to sway, learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum teach patience, drum teach fight, drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light, keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night winds start to cool, drum still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Nyabinghi keep treading on. It tell the world we shall be free when love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta loud and clear, beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast, carry the message that will last. From root to crown, from sea to sky, Nyabinghi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can steal the hand. drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Nyabinghi is strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low, Nyabinghi beat will always flow.
Jamaica and reggae, yeah, man. Jamaica and reggae, yeah, man.
Sunrise kiss me window, bird them start the choir. Me stretch me arms to the heavens, feel that righteous fire. First thing me do, give thanks to the Most High. Me nah rush, me flow, me fly. Me light the chalice with sacred flame. Bless the herb in Jah holy name. Steam rise like prayer to the sky. Me soul get light, me heart get high. Tidal fruits in a me bowl, banana, papaya, mango control. Coconut water cleanse me inside, balance me body and me guide. Me put on vinyl, roots vibration, old Mali track, pure salvation. Me youth still sleep, so me chant alone. Meditation build the throne. Morning chant, me soul arise. Me see the world with open eyes. No stress, no chain, no lie. Just love and Jah up in the sky. Morning chant, me balance me way. One herb, one beat, one ray. In a Zion, me heart reside. One step, one breath, me glide. Me walk barefoot on the earth. Me feel the pulse of Jah creation's birth. Me greet the tree, the bird, the breeze. Me give respect to all these leaves. Me neighbor pass, she smile and wave. She know me style, me no misbehave. We live simple, clean and true. No plastic smile, just what we do. Me sit and write me verse for the day. Lyrics of truth, a conscious display. Me nah write violence, me nah write hype. Me bring unity in every type. Children rise with laugh and cheer. Me empress hug me from rear. She whisper, Jah bless your king. Me heart start dance and me soul start sing. Me no need no gold chain. Me no live for fame or pain. Me need a good spliff and sound, and Rasta ground where roots run down. Me jump on me bicycle, ride for mile. Greet every face with humble smile. Me pass the hills, me pass the stream. Me pass me youthhood dream. Every breath remind me still. Life sweet when you follow Jah will. No clock control me pace. Me walk in a light, me walk in a grace. Me see them city man in a rush, suit and tie in a Babylon bus. Me just wave and ride me lane. No traffic, live in a Rasta man brain. We build from peace, not war. Me herbs stash safe in a calabash jar. Me beat, me drum in a midday sun. Me chant Jah Jah die will be done. Me kids run free, no greed, no lust. Me empress cook Tidal with style. Curry, aki, ankle, alu pile. We sit on floor, give thanks again. No TV, just reasoning and pen. The stars come out, me light me pipe. Me float like breeze, me lyrics ripe. Me write this song in moonlit dome, with Nyabinghi beat and heart of home. This life no easy but full of light, when you live true and live it right. So every morning me chant me way. Me no care what the world might say. Rasta rise with purpose clear. Zion within, always near. Ay, 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 ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me sight you on the corner, sunlight in your eyes. Barefoot queen, you walking with no disguise. Lock swinging sweet, like reading in a breeze. Me heart skip a beat, me knees get weak with ease. Your smile shine like a Kingston sunrise. Natural beauty, no need for lies. Me never know love like this before. You open me soul, you open me door. Me say Empress, where you from? She says Zion, me brethren, not Babylon. Me laugh and me light one up. Together we sip from the healing cup. She a me love woman, me irie flame. Every night me call out her name. She burn herbs with me in the rain. Me queen, me guide, me healing again. Me love woman, no shame, no game. Roots deep like the lion and tame. Me never feel so free. She chant with Jah beside me. Me take her down to Portland side, on the cliffs where ocean collide. We build a little shack to stay, cook Tidal food and dance all day. She read psalms on me string guitar. She roll a spliff and sight up star. No vanity in our world, just royalty in one Rasta girl. Them Babylon girl chase style and gold, but me queen got wisdom fi hold. She teach me patience, teach me truth. Love rooted like mango tree youth. And in the night, when moonlight kiss her skin so bright, me hold her tight. We chant till morning light. She no want diamonds, she want peace. She said let the drama cease. We laugh loud, we live slow in the river of life. We float and flow. She wrap her arms round me soul, fill me spirit, make me whole. No tension, no fight, no stress, only blessings and righteousness. She said Rasta man, build this with care. Don't just love me, be always there. So me vow with a sacred word. Me heart, me life, she already heard. She a me love woman, me irie flame. Every night me call out her name. She burn herbs with me in the rain. Me queen, me guide, me healing again. Me love woman, no shame, no game. Roots deep like the lion and tame. Me never feel so free. She chant with Jah beside me. Years pass but the flame still blaze. Me still lost in her mystic gaze. Me give her songs, she give me strength. Together we go any length. She paint me right, we create sound. She pick herbs straight from the ground. Our little youth them running wild. Zion family, nature child. And when we all still hand in hand, still burn a spliff, still overstand, still chant a hymn before we sleep. Still all I love that runs so deep. She and me love woman, me irie flame. Every night me call out her name. She burn herbs with me in the rain. Me queen, me guide, me healing again. Me love woman, no shame, no game. Roots deep like the lion and tame. Me never feel so free. She chant with Jah beside me.
Bada bim, bada boom, Rastafari stone, yeah man. Early in the morning, me rise with light. Birds them a sing and me heart feel right. Me step outside, barefoot on the ground. Nature a guide every sacred sound. Me gather herb from the roots me grow. Me burn a chalice, me spirit flow. In a silence, me start to pray. Give thanks for life every single day. Urban harmony, balance divine. The soul aligning, just sunshine. Call of the ancients in a the breeze. Me feel them whisper in a the trees. Urban harmony, one meditation in a this chant. We find salvation, no rush, no fight. Just breathe and song. In a Jah presence me belong. Me walk through hills where me elders trod. Them teach we about the power of Jah and God. The plant a heal and the rhythm a guide. Oh, we no need no riches, we feel alive. Me sit by the fire with Nyabinghi beat. Drum echo heart and earth beneath me feet. Me reason deep with me string true. Love and life is all we do. Me nah look west, me nah look east. Me look within, feel find me peace. Meditation deep like ocean tide. Me find the eye, me ego hide. Me trod slow, but me vision high. Me smoke a draw and me touch the sky. Each herb leaf a ancient code. Me travel far, but me heart stay home. Urban harmony, wisdom sound. Me chant with heart till truth be found. Call of creation, voice of light. Me feel it strong in a full moon night. Urban harmony, no disguise, just Rasta way, no Babylon lies. We nah go run, we stand up firm. Each session a blessing, each moment we learn. Me children laugh, them run and play. Me teach them love in a roots man way. Me woman strong, she hold the fire. She chant and drum with righteous desire. We plant together, we reap with grace. No vanity in a this sacred space. Just music, healing, food and song. Me know in Zion we all belong. So light your spliff and breathe real slow. Let go distress, just let love grow. The universe hear every sound you send. And every journey of a holy end. Urban harmony, life and drum. Me chant until that kingdom come.
Nah, nah, nah. Down by the riverside. Smoke spliff, yeah man. Me sit by the river, calm and wide. Me hear the rhythm, Me feel the tide, each ripple speak in a sacred code. Like ancient drum beat, like secret road. The herb I burn low, me eyes them close. Me spirit float where the wisdom grows. No worry now, no Babylon sound. Just roots and healing all around. River inna the mind flow, sweet and slow. Take me where only true ones go. Wash me clean from pain and lie. Lift me high in a Jahs sky. River inna the soul, cool and deep. Carry me dream into conscious sleep. One drop, one thought, one prayer rise. Me see me truth with open eyes. Me smoke a draft for the clarity. Me feel Jah love like melody. No preacher fi tell I what real. Me find the message me heart can feel. The mango fall, the breeze it sing. Me joy no come from material thing. Me joy a grow from silent days. Me chant alone, me soul give praise. Me nah rush, me nah run race. Me walk with peace and Jah grace. Me tread slope and healing earth. Each step remind me of my worth. Me mind a garden and me thoughts a seed. Me water them with what I need. Ganja plant, sun and rain. Grow me life out of struggle and pain. River inna the mind flow, sweet and slow. Take me where only real vibes go. Wash me from the fear and fight. Shine me soul like morning light. River inna heart so calm and true. Every drop a word from you. Me reason with me higher self. Me realize Jah is me wealth. Me meet me brethren under fig tree shade. We pass the chalice, vibes get laid. We reason long bout love and soul, bout dreams and fire and staying whole. No competition in a this life, just balance healing, no strife. Me share me fruits, me share me song. Me know Jah bless where I belong. So if you're stressed and things get tight, come to the river, embrace the light. Let go the nights, the fast, the blind. Come find the river in your mind. Smoke a draw and just be still. Jah guide you with him holy will. River in the mind, Zion call. One love eternal, rise and fall. Bada bim, bada boom, Rastafari, sip coconut and rum. One spliff light up, me mind take flight. Early in the morning before daylight. Me sip me tea, me feel so free. With nature around, that's liberty. Me not chase gold, me chase no fame. Me chase connection, me call your name. Me see the world through herb filled eyes. Truth in a smoke, no disguise. One spliff, one love, one heartbeat. Roots run deep where desire meet. Meditation on the hilltop breeze. Rhythm of the earth bring I'm and peace. One spliff, one love, no fear. Jah voice echo when the path unclear. We chant down stress, we chant down pain. With urban rhythm, we rise again. The city fast, but I'm on slow. Me spirit whisper, time fi grow. Me trod with drum, not digital noise. Me heart still beat with Rastaman voice. Ganja light, fi the wisdom flame. In a Babylon, them play mind games. But I and I now play that role. Me free from chain, me know me soul. Babylon can't cage a lion. Me roar loud, like Mount Zion. Me burn down lies with herbal truth. Me roots firm, me plant from youth. Me vision clear like the sky above. Me walk with purpose, me walk with love. The herb connect, the stars and I. Me rise with sun, me fly so high. One spliff, one love, one direction. Me step in a light full of protection. Meditation on sacred sound. Rasta wisdom all around. One spliff, one breath, no rush. Nature teach me, life don't hush. So me burn the stress and hold the vibe. Reggae kill the world, worldwide. Me reason with the elders under mango tree. Them tell stories of Jah and unity. Me youth them gather round fi listen. Me words like fire, holy mission. Me not preach hate, me preach uplift. Me words a gift, Jah bless me lips. From roots to crown, me grounded strong. Me sing the truth, me chant it long. So when the world feel cold and rough, me light me spliff, and that's enough. One spliff, one love, me mantra stay. Me walk with Jah every day. Me carry the flame of ancient man. Me chant for peace, me overstand. From sunrise to the moon above, me hold it steady. One spliff, one love, right away.
Zion smoke fire inna the jungle.
The system tremble when me step in. Me words sharp like lightning. Them say behave, me say never. Me fight for truth, me fight for ever. Them tell we vote, but all them lie. Me say look Babylon in a eye. From ghetto corner to uptown high. The rebel wave rise like the tide. Me say the youth them wake now. Brainwash can't hold them down. Me say the elders chant still. Rebel fire can't kill. We not slave, we not fool. Me say Jah give we the real tool. Me say love, me say rage. Me say open your mind cage. Wave of rebels sweep the land. Me say strong heart, me say strong hand. The Babylon wall can't stand. We come together, Jah command. Wave of rebels from shore to shore. The youth cry out no more, no more. Me say rise up, me say stand tall. Me say chant down Babylon wall. The media blindfold the truth, but me lyrics reach the youth. Me say school not teach survival. Me say read, grow your vital. Them put camera on every street, but me say soul them can defeat. Me walk with lion in a me chest. Me na bow, me give me best. Me say hustle for freedom, not gold. Me say carry the story untold. Me say dance under the moonlight. Celebrate love, celebrate right. Me say with the wave, with the storm. Rebel heart break every norm. From sound system to mountain top. Me say rebel music can't stop. Boom, me feel it rise. Rebel fire like the skies. Them can't block the movement, no. It come like river overflow. Me say the beat inside me bone. Every street me call it home. Me say all hands come near. The rebel wave can't disappear. Hammer, sweep the land. Me say strong heart, me say strong hand. The Babylon wall can't stand. We come together, Jah command. Wave of rebels from shore to shore. The youth cry out no more, no more. Me say rise up, me say stand tall. Me say chant down Babylon wall.
Me say from Africa to Caribbean, the rebel song reach every man. The youth rise up, the system shake. This wave of love not fake. Me say unity, me say voice. Me say freedom is a choice. Me say break chain, me say build. Me say teach love to the child. No more war, no more greed. Me say plant hope, grow seed. Me say rebel heart over fear. Me say truth echo everywhere. Wave of rebels we roll on. Me say till the break of dawn. Me say chant, me say fight. Me say rebel light shine bright.
Ay, 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 my Rasta family. It's time to make history. Oh, me stand on the shore, me watch the tide. Babylon wall soon can't hide. The ocean whisper secret plan. Wash the chains from every man. Them build fence pon the land and sea. But nature laughs, say you can't trap me. Them count dollar, me count star. Them chase power, me go far. Me say every voice matter, every beat count. When truth rise up, can't hold it down. Them say sit quiet, know your place. But me drum talk loud in a them face. Every river run to the ocean. Every heart carry revolution potion. Me now wait, me not delay. Tidal wave come wash them away. Tidal wave of freedom rise. Underneath Jah open skies. Break the chain, break the lie. Time for Babylon fi say goodbye. Tidal wave sweep the shore. Truth knock on every door. From Africa to faraway isle. Revolution in a every smile. Me say fi the youth them hungry fi light. Me chant songs fi guide them nights. No school teach what elders know. Me pass the wisdom so it grow. Them take we culture, them take we song. Remix it wrong fi play along. But me come with the roots so pure. Me lyrics heal, me music cure. Them can't bribe me with fame or deal. Me heart firm like just steel. Them media twist, them camera lie. But me spirit can't comply. Me ride the wave with every verse. Me chant blessing, me chant curse. Fi shake the system to its core. Open up every locked door. Every elder tell me tale. Oh, Babylon try but always fail. Me step strong, me walk proud. Me voice a wave, me chant loud. Tidal wave of freedom rise. Underneath Jah open skies. Break the chain, break the lie. Time for Babylon fi say goodbye. Tidal wave sweep the shore. Truth knock on every door. From Africa to faraway isle. Revolution in a every smile. The moon pull tide, the people rise. We not fooled by sweet disguise. From ghettos to the hills so high. The chant echo in a night sky. Me see artist, me see sage. Every voice a light fi stage. Me not come with hate or war. Me come with truth, me come with star. Them can't silence what Jah create. Me voice ordained fi liberate. Me nah need no gun, no blade. Me word sharp and me lyrics parade. So me say when Babylon sink below,
The tidal waves still glow. A light for the youth, a guide for the old. A story of freedom forever told. Zion echoes, ride the wave, carry the flame.
Ragamuffin soldier, yeah man. Me wake up with the sunrise gold. Inner hills, just story told. Me sip Tidal, me eyes them low, but me mind fly high like rivers flow. One drop of the spliff, me soul ignite, me vision bright, in a peaceful light. No rush, no noise, just breeze and trees. Me grounded deep like ancient sea. Smoke and silence, that's me prayer. Me find me strength in the clean, cool air. Herb a healer, bring me near to Jaja voice, so crystal clear. Me nah need crowd, me nah need show, just earth and rhythm and roots fi grow. Smoke and silence, balance me soul. In a that moment, me feel whole. Me walk barefoot on sacred ground. Me hear the universe in every sound. Bird a sing, tree a sway. Me chant praises every day. Me nah judge, me nah fight. Me just burn the chalice in the moonlight. Meditation strong like lion roar. Me heart beat steady to Jaja's core. One love in a each breath me take. Me feel alive when the morning break. Herb open me mind like gateway key. Me spirit dance like waving sea. Me reason with me inner self. Me wealth for peace, not paper wealth. Smoke rise like incense true. Me give thanks for life anew. Smoke and silence, healing vibe. Me ride the rhythm, me nah hide. No take no screen, just nature speak. Fi wisdom deep, me humbly seek. Me burn me spliff, fi open door to realms unseen, to Iman core. Smoke and silence, that's the way. Me live me truth each blessed day. Me teach me youth, fi calm them mind, fi trod a path that Babylon blind. Me plant herb tree with loving hand. Me cultivate life pan Jaja land. No war, no worry, no mental chain. Just peace like cool and cleansing rain. Me sit with elders, chanting a line. Me elevate soul through ganja sign. So if the world feel heavy and low, come in a Zion, echoes flow. Smoke a draw, sit in peace. Let the pressure and pain release. Me not lost, me fully aware. Me soul connect in the mountain air. Smoke and silence, me guidance high. One love forever, till the day my fly shoe.
Zion echoes, ay ay ay. High grade me say me a meditate, from Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sense breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that kush, me no carry no hate. High grade me say me a meditate, from Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sense breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that kush, me no carry no hate. Give me the ganja, the Cali gold, the OG kush where the wise man hold. Me plant me seed in the Jaja soil. For every little youth where ya work and toil. Babylon try fi lock with chain, but the herb a free up.
ease me brain. Light up the spliff, make me talk to Jah. Me spirit high, like a shooting star. Let me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensey breeze, it a levitate. Me a bun that push, me no carry no hate. High grade, me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensey breeze, it a levitate. Me a bun that push, me no carry no hate. Me walk on the street with me herb in hand. Sativa make me strong like the roots in a the land. Me no care where Babylon want fi say. Jaja herb bless the night and day. With the green crack me a blaze for sure. Me heart feel clean, me spirit pure. Every little puff make me rise up high. Jah love surround me, me can't deny. Purple haze are the remedy. Wake up me soul, me energy. Me no deal with negativity. I love we share universally. So pass me the chalice, me light the flame. Call pan Jaja, chant his name. Me no need riches, me no need fame. Herb inna me heart, the truth remain. Hide when me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensey breeze, it a levitate. Me a bun that push, me no carry no hate. High grade me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensey breeze, it a levitate. Me a bun that push, me no carry no hate.
Reggae and meditate, yeah, man. Up inna the hills where the silence reign, me bun me spliff and ease me brain. The moon a whisper secret to me soul. The stars them write me fate in gold. No noise from the town, no machine. Just breeze and crickets pan natural scene. Me sit pan rock, chant me psalm. Night full of peace, full of calm. Me close me eyes and visions come. Ancient drums them beat like thunder drum. Me see me ancestors inna the flame. Them call me name and bless me name. Inna the hills me dream, where Zion river stream. Me float with your wind so free. No chain, no lock on me tree. Inna the hills me know, me roots and spirit grow. One light, one sound, one team. Inna the hills me dream. Me enter trance with holy fire. Nyabinghi drum lift me higher. Me not talk about sleep and snore. Me talk about spirit walk through ancient door. Me see a lion guard the gate. Him said to youth, know your fate. Me answer with chant and bow. Me ready for truth, me ready now. Me see me brethren from long before. Them chant, rebel, rise, explore. Them show me mountain top so wide, where love a rule and hate can't hide. Me walk on cloud in a me dream. Me hear me heartbeat as it scream. Wake up the world, chant them clean. Babylon system full of scheme, but me not fear inna this place. Me covered in Jah, me covered in grace. Me dream is real, not just sleep. It's vision me carry deep. Inna the hills me dream, where Zion river stream. Me float with Jah wind so free. No chain, no lock on me tree. Inna the hills me know, me roots and spirit grow. concrete maze. To hearts them trapped in toxic haze. Tell them rise, find the hill. Smoke your herbs, but stay still. Listen close to breeze and tree. Them a tell you the truth, naturally. No phone, no app, no screen. Just speak direct. Inna the green, inna the hills me dream. Me chant, me rise, me redeem. Me see a light so clean. Me free from all machine. Inna the hills me know this life a sacred flow. Me soul dance slow and supreme. Inna the hills me dream. 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 Inna the hills me dream.
Zion roots, ay ay ay. In Jahs Garden the flowers grow. With every seed a future show. Through the herbs just truth we know. Jahs Garden let the blessings flow. In Jahs Garden the flowers grow. With every seed a future show. Through the herbs just truth we know. Jahs Garden let the blessings flow. Me walk through Jahs Garden, see the fruits so sweet. Every plant grows strong from the earth beneath. The herbs are healing, the flowers are peace. In Jahs creation our joys increase. Me touch the soil, me soul align. In Jahs Garden love divine. We rise in unity, we fight the fight. Jahs Garden guide us through the night. With each step the world unfold. In Jahs Garden we never grow old. Me harvest the seeds from the earth so true. In Jahs Garden we make art anew. The herbs, the fruit, the life inside. With Jahs love we need not hide. In Jahs Garden the flowers grow. With every seed a future show. Through the herbs just truth we know. Jahs Garden let the blessings flow. In Jahs Garden the flowers grow. With every seed a future show. Through the herbs just truth we know. Jahs Garden let the blessings flow. Me see the people, their faces so bright. Jahs Garden gift, the purest light. In the rhythm of life, in the dance of the sun, we free our soul, we feel so fun. Me give thanks every day for Jahs reign. Through the earth, we end the pain. With Jah by my side, our love combine. Me walk in Jahs Garden, forever divine. In Jahs Garden, we live the truth. Feed the elders and the youth. In the garden of Jah, we're free and whole. In Jahs Garden, we save the soul.
Nah, nah, nah. Rasta strong, meditate, yeah, man. Wake up with the morning sun on me skin. Breeze from the ocean, me soul begin. Me wash me face in river divine. Thank Jah for the breath for this blessed time. Me sip me roots tea, me chant a prayer. Burn a little sage, cleanse the air. The world full of noise, but me heart stay clear. Me step with peace, me carry no fear. Me wear me crown, me look so long. Every strand carry Jah's song. Me no rush, me move so strong. In a balance, that's where me belong. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. Inna the hills or the city street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta live what Babylon can defeat. Me no chase riches or Babylon lies. Me plant me food under open skies. Me build me home with me own two hands. Me live simple like Zion man. Me play roots rhythm on the vinyl wheel. Me feel the dub, me spirit heal. Me children learn from nature school. Them grow strong, them live by Jah rule. No toxin in a me plate, just vital food me cultivate. The body a temple, clean and great. Me give Jah praise, me elevate. And when the stress come down, me light a spliff and sit down. Me meditate with no sound. Jah guide me mind, me stay ground. Inna me yard, me hear the bird them sing. A sweet reminder of the joy life bring. Me plant more trees, me dance, me swing to rhythms that make me soul take wing. The people pass, them hail me name. Rasta man, your vibes never lame. Me tell them love is the holy flame. Burn the ego, burn the fame. Me no in a rush, me stay in tune. Me chant a psalm under the moon. Me play me drum, me sing me tune. Me walk with Jah, me heart immune. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. Inna the hills or the city street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta live what Babylon can defeat. Me no own big house or gold chain, but me rich in joy. Me feel no pain. Me family close, me soul sustain. Rain or shine, me still remain. Me read from the book of wisdom days. Me reason deep in ancient ways. Me sight up Zion in a purple haze. Me chant for peace, me chant for praise. And when Babylon try confuse, me just sit in a me view. Mountains teach me what fi do. Hold the line and walk it through. Me ride me bike down country road. Me carry herbs, me share the load. Me greet me elders, me speak me code. In